Are you tired of staring at an empty sales pipeline and watching your leads dry up? You're not alone. But what if I told you that 9 little-known tricks can instantly revive your lead generation efforts and fill your pipeline faster than ever before? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I will share these game-changing secrets that will transform your business. Today, we'll explore 5 proven strategies that will supercharge your lead generation efforts and help you consistently attract high-quality prospects to your business. So let's start. First, optimize your website for lead generation. Your website is often the first touch point for potential customers, so it's crucial to optimize it for lead generation. This includes creating compelling lead magnets, strategically placing opt-in forms, and streamlining your conversion funnel. Second, leverage social media advertising. With over 3.6 billion active social media users worldwide, platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter offer an unparalleled opportunity to reach your target audience. Invest in targeted social media advertising campaigns to drive quality leads to your business. Third, implement retargeting strategies. Did you know that only a small percentage of website visitors convert on their first visit? Retargeting allows you to keep your brand top of mind by displaying targeted ads to people who have previously interacted with your website or content. Fourth, utilize email marketing. Email marketing remains one of the most effective lead generation and nurturing strategies. Build targeted email lists, craft compelling subject lines, and provide value-packed content to keep your brand top of mind and nurture leads through the sales funnel. Fifth, leverage influencer marketing. Influencer marketing can be a powerful way to tap into established audiences and gain credibility. Identify influencers in your industry who align with your brand values and collaborate with them to reach new audiences and generate high-quality leads. If you're ready to take your lead generation efforts to the next level, start implementing these 9 little-known tricks today. But don't stop there. Continuously optimize and refine your strategies to ensure a steady flow of high-quality leads into your pipeline. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more valuable content. Remember, the key to success is consistency, experimentation, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing landscape of digital marketing.